Mbugambobe RDC wa district ya Kagadi wabari umjenyi mukuru gwo kwinguza abeje abishomero ya Kagadi Secondary School abende batendekwa mbintu bitari bimwe na bimwe biruko baretero kundi hangari yabo Lilian Ruteraho yayiga batendekera abana abuko batamu umutima murungi hamwe n'imitwe Ogu yayihanangiriza abeje abatendekirwe urebeka ngo babasa kutomo nkora ibiba batendekere utereho no kugira ngo baba bantu abari kugendera amateka utereho no kutamwamani kurebeka ngo bugabe bw'abantu babasa kwawe kitinisa umuhanda gwabo gw'ebyobwegese
twasibura abana bakwikara 10 no mushobo bingi bakagadi Secondary School abayegesebwa entwaza yihangeri kundi ihanga ryabo. So we really appreciate Kagadi Secondary School, the headmaster and the staff for implementing a national function. And why the president is on patriotism? Because it instills discipline, it instills love for the country, it instills even God-fearing, God-fearing in runners.
Muringo ngogumwe Ramadan Nyondo Barongo, coordinator wa Patriotism Clubs muri Kagadi SS yasimo mubimbizi w'ihanga abukutahwente katekeji umashomero. Muringo ngogumwe yasima ministry y'ebwegese mu ihanga hamwe n'ebyemizano abwente katekensya y'ebwegese muri secondary ya New Lower Curriculum yashobora ngo ihwerere munonga beje ukutungo bukugubutari bumwe na bimwe ubintu bitari bumwe na bimwe birimo kurindo bhangwa bwensi okugire bibahangaho uteireho no kutekateka ebintu bitari bumwe na bimwe.
We thank the government for introducing the new lower secondary school curriculum, which is competent based. Learners are also acquiring journalistic skills and which are important to their life.
Students have learned a lot of things ranging from how to protect the environment and how to live together, love one another, love themselves, love their country, love their body, their spirit and mind, and work hard to make sure that there is socio-economic transformation in this country.
Or patron our Patriotism Clubs umishomero ndio rume Deusi ahimbisiwe amwe n'abejibe basimo mu bembezo w'ihanga abwenteka teka nungi ya patriotism yarugirangu ehwera munonga beje kutira munonga bukugire imitwe
turengera abana kumanya ihanga ryabo kundi ihanga ryabo tuba turengire obasa kwerwa nko muntu kandi no kubasa kundi ihanga ryabo no kwekunda muntu ko muntu arasa kwebesa hata twaba traininga basikwekorera ataka sente akebisa ko muntu kandi akaruga mu bwavu arasa kurugata mu kurimera kujya konka kandi akatari kurimera funa intasi.